Christmas is upon us, and because of that, I decided to do two modifications to my electric scooter. The first one is installing a better bubble machine. The second one is making a homemade cruise control, which is going to be awesome. So make sure to stick around and see how these modifications turn out. This is the bubble machine that's going to be installed on the electric scooter. It's a 36-hole bubble machine. The box itself is designed well. The box is easy to open. It comes with a 500 milliliter tank, 2 bottles of bubble liquid, 2 straps, and a 3.7 volt lithium ion battery, stickers, and the bubble machine. Now, let me open this box and show you the wonderful thing that's in this box. Alright, so how do I open this thing? There we go. Look at that. Do you know what that is? This is a new throttle for the electric scooter. Now, I don't know if you noticed this, but I was using this throttle in the video when I made the electric scooter video. I was using this throttle, but the main throttle is actually this one right here. This is the throttle right here, not this one right here, this one. So what happened is the throttle itself, it broke, see? So this one's useless, so I got a replacement, which is this. But you know what? It's a blessing in disguise, because I thought of a cool project. Now, that's why I got the switch right here. So what's going to happen is I'm going to install this switch on the electric scooter, right? The switch is going to be installed there, right? So what's going to happen is, like, I accelerate like this, right? But if I want a homemade version of cruise control, this switch is actually going to lock 2 wires together, causing the electric scooter to go into full throttle, giving me cruise control. I need to remove these zip ties to have access to the wires, to figure out which wires to cross to cause this electric scooter motor to go into full throttle. What will happen if I cut the green wire? Would it work? Okay, I cut the green wire, nothing. I'm going to cut the red wire to see if the motor will go into full throttle. Alright, so cut this one right here. It did nothing. Okay, so there's the red wire. I stripped it. Now I'm going to tap it onto the green. And come on, As you can see, nothing is happening. So I tried many combinations, but even though I stripped all these wires, no matter what combination I do, I can't get the motor to go into full throttle. The best I can do is if I take the black wire and then I just swipe it against the black connection, it gets the motor to spin just a little bit. See, just like this, it'll spin. See, can you hear that noise? There. As you can see, it's spinning. Let me try again. Look. And so what I thought of doing is connecting a second throttle. So basically we have this throttle and we have this throttle. Now look, they both connected. Look at this. Wait, I need to see. How do I do this? Anyway, this throttle works, and then there's this one. See? That one works, and then this one I need to try. It's like a special method. See? It's finally done. Basically what I have done is I have selected the speed I want. The speed I selected is like 80% throttle, right? So basically what's going to happen is if I switch on the scooter, right, I need to disconnect one of these wires. Boom, it's disconnected, right? So I disconnected one of the wires, so now if I accelerate, it should be back to normal. Then, if I connect this wire, it's going to start accelerating to the speed I selected. Boom. Okay, so now, all I have to do is just install a switch, like somewhere here, see? Disconnect one of the wires, and then this thing is back to normal. A switch. So when I want my cruise control, all I have to do is hit the switch. Okay, let's just show you. There's the switch right here, and then there's the motor. Boom. Off. On. Off. On. Right? That's on, right? My cruise control. And then when I want that extra boost in speed, I go back to the second throttle and look. My extra boost. Look at that. Extra boost. And then when I don't want my cruise control, off. As you can see, when I hit the switch, the motor is immediately going to activate, and then I have to press the button. Okay, so the throttle is right here. I hit that. It's going to accelerate. As you can see, it's accelerating. See, hit the throttle. See, it's accelerating. But for this project, I'm going to hit my special switch. Boom! Look at this. See? All right, I'll be back. Thinking of playing. Anyway, so bubble sheep. Now let's give that song a try. Wait for it.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and all lang syne? kindness yet for all lang syne, for all lang syne, my dear, for all lang syne.
Merry
We'll
Christmas
take
and
a cup
Happy New Year.
of kindness yet for all lang syne.
Please consider liking or subscribing. I hope to see you in another video or next year. Alright, bye.